Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Triumph TR6 and this is a treasure hunt in this particular case. This is a regular treasure hunt, not the super treasure hunt. So I bought it, and again I do love the older classic cars. That's the main reason I bought it, not because of it is a treasure hunt. Okay. So this is by Hot Wheels from their mainline series. I bought it for 179, which is the MRP. Let's open it. Okay, here you can see the treasure and logo here. Here is the card art. Let me just put this aside. So let's look at the casting. Casting feels really solid and the interior looks good. So you can see the treasure and logo here. So it doesn't have any headlight details. It is just embossed, but they could have just went with a small paint job here, at least in black. That would have made a lot of difference. Okay, the grill details are there, which is embossed. So the rims looks perfect for this particular casting. Doesn't have any tail light details either. Not sure why they are doing this. So the body is fully metal. So this part here, this is plastic. Interior is plastic. Chassis is plastic. Tires are plastic. Tire has some issues here, you can see. Sorry, the wheels. Okay, it feels a bit heavy even for a smaller casting. Let's put it on the scale now. $36 grams. Yeah. Okay, let's roll this car now. Okay, that does roll well. So the rear wheel wobbles a lot actually, but again, it rolls at least. It rolls well, so even the front wheel wobbles a lot, but it rolls well, so it's well and good. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. So I'm taking 0.5 out of 10 because it doesn't have any detailing on front and rear. So 9.5 out of 10 because the rest everything looks really good. Yeah. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.